Rockstar Launcher Error 7002.1 typically indicates a problem with the connection to Rockstar's social club or corrupted game files. This often prevents GTA 5 from launching. The quickest solutions involve verifying the game files through the Rockstar Games launcher. To do this, right-click on GTA 5 in the launcher and select Verify Integrity. Also ensure the Rockstar Games launcher and social club are running with administrator privileges and temporarily disable any antivirus or firewall software that might be interfering with the connection. These steps resolve the issue for most users. If the problem persists, continue to the next section for more in-depth troubleshooting. If basic fixes fail, start with updating your system's Visual C++ redistributables. Visit Microsoft's official website to download the latest versions, as outdated dependencies are a common cause of Error 7002.1. Next, manually reinstall the Rockstar Social Club. First, uninstall it through your system's control panel to remove any corrupted files. Then, reinstall it via the Rockstar Games launcher for a fresh start. For network-related issues, use tools like Ping Plotter to check your connection to Rockstar servers. Additionally, make sure your firewall and antivirus allow the Rockstar Games launcher and social club to communicate freely. As preventative measures, regularly back up your GTA 5 save files to avoid data loss. Also, periodically verify the integrity of your game files through the Rockstar Games launcher to catch and fix issues early. If the error continues despite these advanced troubleshooting steps, consider contacting Rockstar support directly for personalized help and further guidance.